kids, it's Ava, and today we have something super special to explore. Ready? Let's dive into Ophelia's fantastic world of colors. S is for sun, S-U-N sun, S-U-N sun. Can you say it with me? S is for sun, S-U-N sun, S-U-N sun. Sun is so bright yellow. Sun gives us warmth every day, just like our parents' love. Sun is wearing goggles. This is a little tongue of sun. Did you notice? Tongue is also yellow. Whoa, she is coloring the inner core of sun. It is so hot in here, kids. Inner core is more hotter. This is why it's dark orange, which resembles fire. Please say with me, kids. S as in sun. She's coloring the letter S now. That's so great, isn't it, kids? Thanks a lot for watching the video, kids. We hope you enjoyed learning about the letter S today. Join us again tomorrow for a brand new letter. It's going to be fun, and don't forget, your parents love you more than all the cookies in the jar. Take care.